Hey guys, I'm really excited today. Oh my gosh. So anyways, welcome back to my humble abode. It's finally come. It is finally here, and I'm so excited to show you what I have gotten. Today will be a unboxing. This was bought before Christmas, and it is finally here. So let's find out what it is. Be right back. The time has come. There's so much pink tissue paper, and I love my life right now. I love my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's something in there. And something in there. And hold on. Oh my god. And more tissue paper. Alright. Let's get to it, my friends. Oh. Okay, so if you haven't guessed, this is Jeffree Star's mystery Christmas box. And then I bought a few other things on the side as well. So, oh, it came with a cute little card for the conspiracy palette. I wish Jeffree Star could bring it back because I want so much stuff from it. Alright, so let's unbox this first. Oof. I have not seen this in real life yet, and the packaging is to die for. I got diamond juice. And let's have the first look at this bad boy because I have not seen it in real life. And I live for the packaging. I've heard about it so much. Seen it on all of his videos. If I can get it open. I don't know. I don't want to break it. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Can I say I'm a little speechless? Like, how cool is that? I don't know, guys. It's probably weird and probably controversial, but I'm a very big Jeffree Star fan. I don't care what all y'all say. But I'm so stoked to use this. Like, can I just refill this afterwards with something? Because, like, my god. Okay, let's move on now, Lauren. And, ooh, I'm really, really excited for these guys. Really excited. I was like, who doesn't want this? And I was like, let's just get it from Jeffree Star. The metal straws. And duh, they're pink because it's me. I love pink. Oh, they're so pretty. Oops. Let's take them out. Let's take them out if I can't. Oh, and it comes with a little brush to clean them too. Oh, look at those colors, guys. Also, side note, if you know me, you know I love bendy straws. I have a bunch downstairs. Don't judge me. So these are kind of sweet too because they kind of remind me of bendy straws, but they're not really bendy straws. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I can't wait to use those. I cannot wait. That is awesome. Okay, now here comes the good stuff. I have no idea what's in here. I know one thing. Sorry, I can get my scissors. But I don't know everything else. So I have literally been tracking this for like weeks. So I'm really, really excited. You guys and me, along with me, are getting the first look into this. So I'm so excited. Literally, it's like, this has been a long time coming. And I needed this badly. Just to kind of lift some spirits. This literally is like, I'm like kid in candy store right now. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, what? Alright, we'll come back to that in a second. Oh my god, guys! Oops, shit. Oh no! Uh-oh. I'm so excited. Oh my god. This is legit my expression right now. Like, I'm not joking you. Alright, so oh, okay. Number one, if you don't know me, I have a sick obsession with hoodies. Like, really bad. So, I just added one more. Like, oh my god. Guys, iconic. Like, I'm living right now. Living. Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And guys, this is soft. Guess what I'll be wearing today? Alright, that's the first thing. Okay. We've got tissue paper. Cool. Oh, what's this? Is this another? I got another one. This isn't gonna be my Christmas. Guys, I also get amused by the smallest things, so I now have five metal straws. I have been wanting to try his highlight forever. So like, I don't even know. Oh, guys, some Christmas highlight. She coming out Christmas Day. Yep. Unreal. All right, guys, this is my first swatch. Ooh. What? Guys. My first swatch went badly. Let's try that again, shall we? Oh, the purple, like, you guys, it doesn't do justice in light right now, but like, that's a nice highlight. The pink and like the green and purple flecks are unreal, and it's called Candy Apple Drip. Yeah, we're good with that. Okay, so there's this guy. Let's see what. Another highlight. I'm sorry, guys. If you're annoyed with this video, probably don't watch it, because I'm going to be doing this the entire time, because I've literally been waiting like a month and a half, maybe? Look how friggin' cute. I am living. Oh my. It's over. I'm good. Like, guys, oh no. So yes, so this is chocolate ice, igloo gold, and ugly sweater. Oh. Guys, do you see this? Oh my god, I can't right now. I literally can't. I can't do it. I might have to put on more highlight today. Oh my god. Absolutely unreal. Unreal. Oh. Ooh. Is this a palette? Okay, hold on a second. That's gonna be lost. Oh, I got some stickers, guys. Oh, those are really cute. You see? Love it. Put those down there for a second. First class and soft serve. Woo! I got some, and these liquid lips, I'm guessing. Yes. His liquid lips are, they good. They good. Like the cheese. Oh, guys, oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Like, what? Do we need swatches? I think we do. Hold on. Oh, those are creamy, guys. Those are creamy. Oh, yes, clean. So the pink is soft serve and the gold is first class. And that shit is legit. Oh my god. I'm gonna get this everywhere because it's like all over my arm. Alright guys, this is the last and final thing. This has been unreal. Like, I'm actually floored. You gotta be shitting me. I don't know what to say. I honestly don't. I'm like literally floored right now with how much stuff came in here. And like, you definitely got your money's worth. Like, the amount of product in here for the price, I can't. I just... Wow. Guys, I don't even know what to do right now. Like, are you seeing this? That is unreal. I'm gonna have some fun looks, guys, coming up. That yellow is everything. That yellow is everything. I'm not gonna swatch this baby yet because this is, like, I'm in love and it's so pretty and, like, perfect right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'll do a swatch soon, though. We'll do a look with just this palette and I'll swatch them all for you guys. Because, like, I just can't, I can't do it yet. I can't do it. So those are the highlighters and lipsticks, which I'm actually surprised I swatched because usually I love keeping them like pristine, but like, girl, like that. Ooh, that is cray cray. So guys, I got a straw with a cleaner. That wasn't part of it. 2 liquid lips, highlight, which is stunning. Oh, like, oh, another highlight palette, which is she golden. Some stickers, a palette, and my sweater, which is not reachable because I kind of jumped the gun on that one. Got real excited. So, and then I got the gloss and the metal straws separately. They weren't part of this package, but like, I am shooketh right now. I don't, okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know, I'm sure there's billions of these going up on YouTube, but I am in love. This palette, I have his Blue Blood palette, and this is the second palette I own of his, and I've always wanted the highlights, so I now have 2, like, and like, these are gonna last me forever. Like, guys, lifetime, that's huge. And like, the packaging is just everything. Like, he really knows how to like serve. Yeah. And the sweater is probably gonna be worn today, just saying. Yep, probably. And yeah, so that is it. And like, the stickers are so cute. Oh Alright guys, I'm gonna shut up now. Stop wallowing and maybe go crazy on my own. And swatch maybe some more stuff. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was fun to do an unboxing. I've never done one here yet. I've also never done one, so that was really fun. You guys saw it all. Sorry I got cut off. But thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed it. And like, I'll just, one more time. I'll blind you with the highlight. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye!